It is not uncommon to encounter significant disparities in engineering fees for similar projects. Several factors can contribute to this, including scope of work. Different engineers may interpret the scope of work differently, leading to varying fees. Experience and reputation also play a role. More experienced and reputable engineers typically command higher fees. Project complexity is another consideration. Complex projects require more time and expertise, which can increase fees. Competition within the market can affect pricing. In competitive markets, engineers may offer lower fees to secure work. Business practices within the engineering firms also matter. Some engineering firms have higher overhead costs or profit margins, resulting in higher fees. A significant disparity that one might encounter, say for example, of 35% to 58% of a bid could be due to a combination of factors. This could include different interpretations of the scope of work. The architect may have provided incomplete information, or other engineers may have assumed a narrower scope. It could be due to varying levels of experience and reputation. The engineers who provided lower bids may be less experienced or have a lower reputation, potentially leading to lower fees. It could also be attributed to differing perceptions of project complexity. The other engineers may have underestimated the complexity of the project, resulting in lower fees. Or the lower bids might simply come from increased competition. The other engineers may be aggressively competing for work, especially if they are new to the market or have low overhead costs. When considering engineering fees, one should review the scope of work carefully. Ensure that all aspects of the project are clearly defined to avoid misunderstandings. Request detailed quotes. Ask for itemized quotes from engineers to compare their fees and services more accurately. Consider the value of experience. More experienced and reputable engineers may charge higher fees, but their expertise and professionalism can be valuable for complex projects. Negotiate fees if you believe a fee is excessive. Negotiate with the architect or engineer and be prepared to justify your position based on the scope of work and market rates. Ultimately, the decision on which engineering firm to hire should be based on a combination of factors, including fees, experience, and reputation. It's important to weigh the potential risks and benefits before making a decision.